This is the aerodynamics of a straight tooth gear. About 2 weeks ago, we did a CFD analysis on a gear, but the teeth were in a V shape, and that has some really funky flow physics. It was very asymmetric. You can check that out as well. Put the link in the description. This one, we have straight teeth, and as the flow goes, so this is the Z plane going up, as the flow goes from left to right, it's a very symmetric wake, whereas with the other gear where they had an arrow tooth, it was very asymmetric. But it's pretty cool how it makes this kind of inverted shape here, and it's fairly curved. These are some streamlines, so they show where the flow is going, whether it's coming over the actual teeth or not. Unlike the previous gear where it had like a V-shaped tooth, these straight teeth, you can see that the flow doesn't really come over the actual teeth. They hit inside these grooves and then they just jump over the top instead of coming around to the side too much. And even here, like there's some recirculation. So that's a very big difference compared to this tooth, the straight teeth and the arrow teeth. With the arrow teeth, they were funneling the flow and they were coming over the actual ridges of the teeth instead of going over the rest of the gear. So make sure to check out that video as well. I'll put that link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do here at Primary Aerodynamics. We do courses to make you a better aerodynamist. We have CFD, experimental and theory. We make instrumentation to make your experiments better. We have an atmosphere hawk. We have PIV systems. We have traverses. And check out the conference we put on every year. It's called the International Aerodynamics Conference. Links can be found to them in the description. Peace out.